The bananas are attacking. They're going to show up a little bit in this one. This is transformations of trig functions. Nobody has any idea what I'm doing. This is actually 4th period right now. Rob's sitting there in his groggy dog shirt and he's having a good time. But anyways, we're going to talk about transformations of functions a little bit because I like bananas and you like bananas too. Oh, Jarwar got it. It was destroyed. No more fun for me. Alright, so first thing, if we are dealing with cosine, I'm going to go ahead and graph my parent function. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do.
Oh my god.
Yes, I do this in my free time. Although it's not really my free time. I'm necessarily on the clock right now.
Doesn't matter, you get paid salary.
Stretch, reflect, move. RM.
Hi, Mrs. Backwards. I like to eat chicken enchilada casserole.
Oh my gosh. What?
Alright, so we got a 2 on the outside. I don't know what's wrong with them. They're the bananas. They're attacking, like I said. You have a 2 on the outside. It's with the y's. So you're multiplying the y's by 2. So y's by 2. Remember, only if it's at the x that you do the opposite. This plus 1 is not with the x. You would see parentheses around this if it were, but there are no parentheses. Yeah. Like I said, right? Right, Sydney? Oh, the pencil sharpener killer. Here you go.
This poor video.
Alright, this is going to be a good one. So you move up 1. There's no negative, so there's no reflections. So then you're going to take all your y values first, multiply them by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And 1 times 2 is 2. Choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. So the pink dots are just after multiplying it by 2, and 0 times 2 is still 0, so those points will stay right there. So if you were to graph this function as is, just after stretching it by 2, we've got that. And if you take your everything and plus 1, thank you, sir. Then move everything up 1. Make curved lines.
Curved lines make curved lines. I don't know what I said, but you understand it. Not really.
Cassie, you're going to be watching this video and trying to learn from this video, so good luck. You're sitting right in front of me and you have no clue what's going on. But next year, you'll be like,
Oh my gosh.
no, it's for kids this year. Oh, there's your function.
Yay!
Yeah, Kara, help your friend. Alright, we're going to graph this function now. We have tangent of x plus pi over 4 plus 1. So with our stretch, reflect, move, with the move, we're going to move to the left pi over 4. And we're going to move up 1. I have my parent function of tangent already graphed. Don't forget that your asymptotes are at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2, and then every pi over 2 thereafter. So if we just move everything left pi over 4, that is right there. And then up 1 would put it right there. So I'll take the same thing with this one, left pi over 4, up 1, left pi over 4, up 1. And then I'll move my asymptotes left pi over 4.
Are you guys taking pictures off? This one good. She kind of like attacked my phone. You're like,
Nobody's doing what they're supposed to be doing.
Mr. Pike, I'm trying to do my work, but I can't. No.
And now they're all trying to defend themselves for not working.
I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing.
Cassie always does what she's supposed to do.
She doesn't have to do anything.
She makes my note cards.
Oh.
With love and care.
Love and care.
Each and every one.
Alright, and make sure that you guys continue all the way through the graph. Don't just stop somewhere.
Get all the way to what?
Oh no!
Are you making a video?
You made me do it wrong, Sydney. There's no asymptote there. That's not an asymptote. I messed up. I apologize. Move it left pi over
Is he
4.
making notes?
Oh, man. Can't read your writing. Oh, snap, son!
You're gonna explain because you're having like
Did you explain why you weren't talking yesterday?
No, I just didn't feel like it.
Mr. Pike, people are
He's
gonna be
talking
watching
too
this and
much
be like,
now.
what is he talking about?
It should have been 0. Da 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 da. Yabba dabba doo.
Well, I don't know.
Okay, so there would be your graph. Like I said, ignore this asymptote. I apologize. It should not be there. I messed up. I done goofed. It's a crazy fool. It likes bananas a little bit too much. Yeah! Alright, I'm going to do this one and one more. So again, this one I have a parent function of cosine, so that is already graphed for you. As far as stretching, shrinking, reflections go, I have a 1/2 on the outside, so it's going to be the y's by 1/2. And the x's, remember, do the opposite, so the x's will also be by 1/2. So if I multiply all my y's by 1/2, that is 1/2 of their value. So they are twice as close to the x-axis. And then if I take all my x values and multiply them by 1/2, pi times 1/2 is just pi over 2, so that will go into here. Pi over 2 times 1/2 is pi over 4. This is 0. So I kind of have it already set up, my pattern. So I can just continue the same pattern to infinity and beyond, just like Buzz Lightyear. Amanda likes bananas. Yeah. Okay, and then just follow your graph. Follow your nose wherever it goes. Whoa. Thunder and lightning. Cool. Cool. You're so weird.
That's not weird, but
Okie day. Alright, this one we have cosecant as our parent function. We don't have any multiplication, so no shrinking or stretching. The reflection is on the outside, so it will reflect it over the x-axis. Me too, like totally. That's illegal. She has elephant tusk on her leg. What do you want?
can I only have like 3 problems left, but can I go to my
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes. Okay, then you're going to flip everything over your x-axis. Yes. So you'll flip it over and it will go down. And then this will flip over and go up. So that is just after reflecting it over the x-axis. Okay, and then if you move everything left pi over 2, this will go over here. This will move, oh no, dang it, I keep messing up. Sorry, that's wrong. Left pi over 2 is here. Left pi over 2 is here. Your asymptote was at pi, so if you go left pi over 2, it will be at pi over 2 now. So every pi over 2, you'll have an asymptote.
It's really gross.
It's really bright.
Doop-a-doo, ba-doop-a-doo. Ba-doop-a-doo.
She has beautiful eyes. Ew!
That's nasty.
You're nasty.
It's not nice.
Tell me you're not recording.
I am recording.
Oh.
You're going to look this up when you're 50 and hear yourself saying that.
Hi, people.
Cool.
I have to learn.
Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If not, come ask me questions. Help yourself out. Do something for yourself. Don't just sit there and eat bananas and look pretty, people in the world. Jarwar came up here smiling. What do you want to say, Jarwar?
Follow your dreams.
Jarwar has a very nice message. Follow your dreams, people of the world. Bye-bye!